Well, we're gonna try that. Ugh. Hi, out of this binary. It's Joe. Um, Welcome to the weekend. It's over. It's super over. I've been doing homework. Um, I think this week's topic that I missed was about being non-binary at school and at work, and I don't know if I can talk about that because it's super hard right now. Also, I'm sorry that it's shaky. I'm holding this with my arm hand thing. It's part of my body. Anyways, the point is, I'm doing my best, but this is a rough time and this is a rough video, but I still wanted to make you a video. So maybe what I'm asking for is be kind, I'm making a video. And that's a big accomplishment for me right now. Things that have been going on. Um, I've been in a I don't actually know if I can talk about things that are going on. Everything's really triggering and hard to speak about, like, because things are really hard at school, which is also work, because I'm supposed to work with my school, for my school, but I haven't been able to do much of either. And I'm waiting for them to give me a new work assignment, but people don't contact me, so I don't know what's going on. Um, all I can really say about being non-binary at school/work is that it sucks. I've never had a good experience with it. Ever. I remember when I was trying to get a job when I was living in Washington State. Um, and I couldn't ever get hired. I'm also disabled, so I got a lot of things working against me. Being disabled and being Enby, these things are not things working against me, quote unquote. These are my life, and they're parts of me that I am learning to love. Well, I love being Enby. I'm having a hard time loving being disabled. I don't know if I'm supposed to love being disabled, but I think I'm supposed to love who I am, and who I am is a person with a condition that is disabling at this time. Um, that condition is dissociative identity disorder. So I'll tell you about that if you want to know. Right now, ready, go. So that it used to be called multiple personality disorder, but it changed in the DSM-4, so it's now we're on DSM-5, so it's been changed for 2 editions. And it means that I have more than one people living inside of me. I think I've talked about this before, but it's okay to talk about it again. So, I have like a bunch of people living inside of me. And we all share the body, this body that we live in, and sometimes I'm present a lot. And sometimes I'm not. Sometimes it's other people who are doing things with my body and I'm not here. And recently that has been, I have been here barely at all, like maybe a couple hours a day, but I don't remember those hours very well usually. And then, and there are whole days that I miss, like yesterday. I wasn't here at all yesterday, Saturday. I got back Sunday. I woke up this morning and for a while I was like, I don't even know who I am. And then I figured it out. But anyways, I one of the things that happened with my disorder is that last week I had one class to go to. It was on Tuesday night at 6:45. And I did all the homework. We were ready to go. I say we because there's more than me in this body, so we are a we. So we were ready to go. And then I was really tired, so I laid down to take a nap because I had like an hour before class. And then I didn't come back until like a day later, maybe 2 days later. It was a while. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I went away Tuesday night and then I came back Wednesday night, I think. Yeah, Wednesday afternoon night, because that's when I emailed my professor to be like, super sorry I missed class. So I figured out what happened because my alters, that's what I call the other people living inside me. That's what they're called in the language of this disorder. So my alters, Some of them will write to me notes about what goes on when I'm away, which is really nice and helpful. So I learned that the reason I didn't go to class on Tuesday is because one of my very young alters was fronting, and they can't go to a graduate school classroom. That's not okay for them. So, completely understandable why we didn't go. Can't help it. Cannot help a lot of things right now. Like, another one of my alters spent a crap ton of money on things like clothes and food. These are things we needed, but we just don't have a lot of money, so now we have even less money, and crap. Don't know how to survive until we get more money in January. It's a long time. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is, I'm just giving you a little picture about, like, my life, and basically that's what's been going on is other people have been doing things and I've not been aware, and then I come back for little periods of time and I'm like, oh, so much happened that I didn't get to control. So I've also been dealing with feeling really embarrassed about this and feeling like I wish I had any other mental illness, mental disorder, which isn't really fair because, like, all of them, any mental illness or mental disorder is really hard to deal with. So this one is hard to deal with too. But I guess it's like part of getting to acceptance is like first it just takes a while. Like, I've been figuring this out for a year, but now it's a different level of things happening, so I'm figuring things out in a different way. So I often wish that I had a different disorder. I often wish that it just didn't happen because it's super embarrassing to be like, I couldn't go to class because I was a different person who is a child. Well, it's not really me, it's a different person. Anyways, now you know more things about my brain and how things are working. Um, and that's part of the challenge of being in school and trying to work. Also, because when I get misgendered, it's a trigger, and so then I often switch to a different person. So then I don't know what's happening. So that sucks. Or if I get triggered in class, then I don't remember what happens in class or what I'm reading. Anyways, that got off topic. I'm done now. I'm so tired of. I don't even know. I'm just tired all the time. So, okay. Um, I don't think I will have energy to put very much in the links below. Um, but I hope I'll see you again soon. I'm sorry that I'm posting so inconsistently. It is because I'm often gone, especially on the weekends, just not around. So I'm sorry. I'm trying really hard to figure out how to work with this and with what's going on with my mental health. But it's like coordinating with a whole group of people. So, I'm still here as much as I can be. It's just really hard right now. And I hope I will see you again soon. Hang in there, believe in yourself, and believe yourself. Bye.